Ryan Taylor Natural Remedies presents the benefits of benfotiamine for repairing the nerves. Many people suffer with neuropathy, a type of nerve damage which commonly affects those with diabetes. Eating junk foods, certain medications and cancer treatments may also lead to nerve damage. One of the best ways to repair the nerves is by taking benfotiamine, and that's exactly what we will discuss in today's video. Before we dive in, be advised that this information is for educational purposes only, so do speak to your doctor if you have any medical concerns. The nerves in your body carry electrical signals from your brain and spinal cord through your nervous system. These signals control all of your bodily functions, like your metabolism, your heart rate, body temperature, muscle movements, etc. Unfortunately, these nerves are sensitive to stress, medications, processed foods, sugars and vegetable oil, which can easily damage them, triggering problems like burning, stabbing, shooting pains in the feet, or ringing in the ears. As previously mentioned, benfotiamine is an excellent supplement, often used to help repair injured nerves and neuropathy. It's a more effective form of vitamin B1, which can penetrate deep into nerve tissue to help it to heal from damage. It's actually one of the highest rated supplements for diabetes because it helps to protect the nerves, brain, eyes, kidneys and heart vessels from oxidative damage caused by high blood sugars. Unlike the regular version of B1 or thiamine, benfotiamine is 3 to 5 times more easily absorbed by your body. It travels deep into the energy factories in your cells called the mitochondria, helping to repair them and generate more energy. This helps the cell walls to regenerate and maintain normal electrical gradient inside your nerves. In addition to taking benfotiamine, you may also consider eating more foods rich in B vitamins, such as beef liver, seafoods, pork, and sunflower seeds. These foods are packed full of vitamin B1 or thiamine, the water-soluble version of benfotiamine. Eating these regularly will not only support a healthy nervous system, but can also reduce anxiety, stress, neuropathy, and chronic pain. Studies show that 70% of diabetic patients have significant improvements when taking benfotiamine, but this supplement can be useful for anyone who has nerve problems. Benfotiamine and vitamin B1 are also known for a wide range of other health benefits as well. Some examples include reducing stress levels, controlling blood sugars, stopping tinnitus or ringing in the ears, boosting energy levels, improving memory and concentration, protecting the eyesight, improving kidney function, reversing alcoholism, protecting your arteries, reducing inflammation, amongst many others. In our other videos, we discuss a wide range of remedies, herbs and nutrients that can be used to heal nerve damage and protect the nervous system. To learn more about the top 14 foods to repair your nervous system, go ahead and tap on this video on the screen now. Thank you very much for watching. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.